Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about what is software, types of software, then project versus product. So first, what is software? A software is a collection of programs that help us to perform a task. So here we will take an example of calculator program. So if we run this program into the computer, so it will ask us to enter the two numbers. So we have entered the 10 and 15. Okay. Then it will ask us to enter any operator between the given numbers. So like we have here entered the multiplications. Once we enter the multiplication, it will give the multiplication of both the entered numbers. Okay, so this is how the calculator program works. So this is just a simple one program. So like this collection of multiple programs we called as a software. Next, types of software. So there are three types of software: system software, programming software, application software. So first is a system software. System software is used for operating computer hardware. Examples of system softwares are operating systems, device drivers, etc. So operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android. So these are the operating systems. Device drivers. So device drivers are the software which is installed in the computer which help us to communicate between our peripheral devices and the computer. So which is basically act as a mediator between your peripheral devices and the computer. So these are the device drivers. Next, programming software. Programming software is a software which helps the programmer in developing other softwares like compilers, assemblers, debuggers, interpreters, etc. are the examples of programming software. Application software. Application software is used by user to perform a specific task. So examples of application software are web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications. So in the web applications, we have Amazon, Flipkart, OLX, Make My Trip. So these are the websites. Okay, so websites we call as a web applications. Next, mobile applications like Facebook, YouTube, Gmail, Instagram. So like you can see Zoom and Telegram, Chrome. These are the mobile apps which we install in our mobiles and we use it. Next is the desktop applications. So desktop applications like we install in our system or desktop. So like desktop applications, we have VLC Media Player, Word document, Teams, Photoshop. So like this multiple desktop applications are there. So next topic is project versus product. So first discuss about the project. So project is a software application which is developed for a specific customer based on their requirement. Then it's called as a project. Examples like banking application. Suppose if the Axis Bank develop an application, so that is the project for the Axis Bank. So the Axis Bank application will use only by the Axis Bank peoples. The other cannot be used because the Axis Bank application developed based on their requirement. So what is their requirement? Based on that requirement, they develop their application. So Axis Bank application is used by only the Axis Bank people. No one is going to use that application. Next is the product. If the software application developed for a customer based on the market requirement, then it is called as a product. Examples like MS Office and the Google products like Maps and Gmail. So products like anyone can use it. So the software is developed based on the overall market requirement. So that product is once it's developed, so anyone can use it. So that is not a specifically for the specific customer. That is based on the market requirement. So anyone can use that product. So this is the basically difference between the project and product. Thanks for watching the video.